While the Agile Manifesto values individuals and interactions over processes and tools, and working software over getting caught up in focusing on comprehensive documentation, there is still a recognized value in a model outline for successful Agile project management. Jim Highsmith, one of the authors of the Agile Manifesto, developed the Agile Project Management Model. The model consists of 5 phases, and it's worth noting that these 5 phases do not have a linear progression, but rather they are cyclical in nature. Agile is really a cycle and a set of iterations or loops where we're doing a lot of different activities within each cycle, rather than working through a prescribed path with distinct steps. The first phase of the Agile Project Management Model is the envisioning phase. During this phase, you envision what this product is going to be, what type of value you should be delivering to your end customers, and what the vision is for the overall project or product. The second phase is the speculating phase. In the speculating phase, you start thinking about how to implement different features or functionality that will actually fulfill that vision that you created in the envisioning phase. Next is the exploring phase. In the exploring phase, you're performing iterations of learning. This is the phase in which you're developing code, you're developing software, you're testing it, you're getting feedback on it, and you're figuring out the way to fulfill that vision. The next phase is the adapting phase. In Agile, in every cycle and in every iteration, there is adaptation. As you learn, you adapt and change the plan. You might change your idea of what is higher priority. You can even be changing the way you work in order to optimize and come out with the best ideas, as well as a really effective strategy for working together as a team. And finally, the last phase is the closing phase. Because the Agile Project Management Model is iterative, that could mean closing a specific iteration or the whole project. In summary, the 5 phases of the Agile Project Management Model are envisioning, speculating, exploring, adapting, and closing.